Anybody else have this odd sound coming from their cat just after their oxygen sensor? I don't know what this sound is. It's got me a little concerned. I only hear it coming from here. I don't know if it's coming from the combustion chamber. Almost sounds like a rod knock, but I'm hearing it. And this cat down here. This one I don't hear nothing. On the right side, the passenger side, nice and quiet. Pretty loud on this side. Any of you guys with Tacomas with 4.0 liter have that sound coming from your driver's side cat? I just changed my transmission fluid, so I was just noticing that. I've been hearing it, but don't really hear much up here or from here. I'm just hearing lifters. Well, the upper valve train. I don't know, maybe nothing. Not sure.